Let's paint orcs with bows, twisted hunters lurking in the shadows of Middle-earth. In this series, we're painting all the models from Fantasy Flight's Lord of the Rings Journeys in Middle-earth, using only the speed paints from Army Painter's Most Wanted set. The goal? Fully painted models in just a few evenings, with a simple, beginner-friendly method that still looks great on the table. We're starting each one with a zenithal prime. Full details are in the priming video. We're creating 3 different skin tones for variety across the group. First, use pure forest green on the face, torso, hands, arms and legs. The second starts with a base of Zealot yellow, followed by a layer of forest sprite once dry. The third begins with warrior skin, then a coat of forest sprite to create a pale, bruised tone. Use grim black for the boots, bow and leather skirt armour. To help tell them apart, paint the cloth and arrow fletching on each one in a different colour. The first gets slaughter red. The second, Beowulf blue. The third, murder scene. Use dark wood for the belt, leather straps, quiver and shoulder armour. Finish with broadsword silver on all the remaining metal. The leg armour, braces and metal spikes on the bow and bow ends. Three orc archers, finished and ready to rain down arrows on the free peoples of Middle-earth.